Hey guys, so it's Finn here, and today I'm going to be doing a video about how to use this app called Voice Narrator Voice. It's basically an app where you can use your voice as a narrator and then pass it on. It's really good, especially if you're doing challenges like last to speak wins X amount of money, or if you just are playing a game, sleeping, or just normal. Last one to stop talking is rotten egg, and then you can just do that. Or last one to talking and something like that. So you can just speak like that. It's really good. Also, fortunately, there are people that can't speak in the world. So if you know someone like this, you can recommend this app for them. So what you need to do once you get onto the app, you need to change it. Now I changed it from United States because I don't use Alison. I use Amy, but Alison will have to do. And it sounds like this.
Hi, 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 hi.
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho, and as she screams.
Sorry for that, but it sounds like that basically. It's not good, so that's why I use United Kingdom and I use Amy. So yeah, remember to. I really hope that I can encourage you to using this. It's really good, and I just got one thing to say. This app's just really good. I'm super sorry. It's really good. It helps people for communication. Also, this can also be used if you meet someone from another country. You can use the other country one. So that's why I like it. Also, it doesn't cost anything, and it's really useful.
Remember to like, subscribe and comment down below.
Bye.